Here we are at the fireworks stand in Caldwell, Idaho, between on the Notus Parma exit. They sell lots of fireworks all year round. They also sell or buy deer antlers and stuff like that. Big thing here in Idaho in the 4th of July. They have a lot of places set up along the roads of semis and everything else, semi-trailers, and they sell lots of fireworks. It says over 1,500 items sold here. You have one of the semis over trailers over there. It says fireworks this exit. It's called the Rocky Mountain Fireworks and Fur.cat. Can't really see because that open sign is there. Oh, there it is. Rocky Mountain Fireworks and Fur Company. There's a rocket. Smoking within 50 feet. So there you go, the fireworks stand in Caldwell, Idaho.